To the girl with the dog eyes, you're the only one who knows that's a nice thing to say. I got woken up at sunrise to your ukulele ringing through my brains. Some song about a Brooklyn moon and a poor boy exhaling into you. And your chorus was that old familiar phrase, singing the road giveth and the road taketh away. To my toothless angel, you're the only one who'll smile at that line. I found a word for the color of your nameless and perfect eyes, but I lost it in a drunken haze. I screamed it out into the north country rain. When the echo came back, all it did say was the road giveth and the road taketh away. I won't sleep when I'm dead. When I'm dead, there'll probably be other stuff to do. I don't need to sleep, I don't need to sing this to them. I just need to sing this to you. To the girl with the dog eyes, whatever else it was that brought me here, I hope you wake up next sunrise with this song at the edge of your ears, and all the blue skies that warm your blood, let you realize how lucky I was. I had the perfect farewell, but it somehow slipped away, because the road giveth and the road taketh away. Yeah, the road giveth and the road. You try to drown your sorrows, shouldn't have taught them how to swim, and now you are right back where you began. Winter skies approaching, all alone in the wasteland. Alone is the only way that they let you in. So drink all my wine, cut all my trees, make love on my beaches, smoke all my weed. I am California, Can't you see? Wherever you roam, you'll always want me. And we struggle with our love. We don't know what to let in, 'cause the new ones pay for the old ones' sin. Blinded by your shadow, faded on your love. You don't know how deep you are till you get pulled back up. So drink all my wine, cut all my trees, make love on my beaches, smoke all my weed. I am California, can't you see? Wherever you roam, you'll always want me. Drink all my wine, cut all my trees, make love on my beaches, smoke all my weed. I am California, can't you see? Wherever you roam, you'll always want me. Yeah, dig all my gold, soak in my spring, conquer my mountains, that's what you need. I am California, can't you see? Wherever you roam, you'll always want me. 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 Yeah, you'll always want me. You'll always want me. You'll always want. I'm awake and I'm crazy. In the past I was doomed, and I can't think of anything to describe what I do. It's just the last breath, catching the next breath, I suppose, and my heart is aimless. This much I know. And they gave me this virgin guitar. You ain't got no songs, and I've no one to sing to. but I keep pressing on. I ain't your first choice, you ain't my first choice, I know, but I'll be your lone voice. My darkness you'll absorb. And the water is deep, child, and the river is long, and I'll lay my head here, but I won't call it home. And you wanna join me, I'm on a journey with no destination. We're on our own, yeah. So why do I worry? I'm supposed to be lost, like some floating ember at a brand new Pentecost. We need the bad things to make the good things, I know, and I hear them singing. No rain, no road,